Hello guys, in this video I will be discuss about the muscles of the pectoral region, and in my previous video I was discussed about the divisions of the upper limb. Firstly, revise. In front of the chest, this is our pectoral region, and just opposite to the pectoral region, this is our back. Now just over the shoulder joint, this region is called the scapular region, and from the shoulder joint up to the elbow joint, this is our arm, and in the anatomy arm is also called the brachium, and from the elbow joint up to the wrist joint, this is our forearm, and forearm is also called the antebrachium, and from the wrist joint up to the distal phalanx, this is our hand. So this is the few division of the upper limb. Now I will discuss about the pectoral region. Pectoral region. फर्स्टली जब हम डाइसेक्ट करते हैं, फर्स्टली सबसे पहले हम डाइसेक्ट करते हैं अब स्किन को, सबसे पहले स्किन काटते हैं, देन स्किन के बाद सुपरफिशियल फेशिया, एंड इन द पेक्टोरल रीजन देयर इज वन important structure on the superficial fascia. This is our breast. We will study of the breast on later videos. In this video, study about the pectoral, focus on the pectoral muscle. This after the superficial fascia, we will remove superficial fascia, then we will find the deep fascia, and we will cut the deep fascia, then we will find the muscles of the pectoral region. So muscles of the pectoral region are first muscle which is found on the pectoral region, that's why it is called pectoralis. Pectoralis, and that's pectoralis क्यों? क्योंकि pectoral region में इसलिए इसको pectoralis बोला, because and major है, this muscle is major, that's why it is called major. बड़ी मसल है, broad मसल है, that's why it is called major. So first muscle is pectoralis major. Now second muscle pectoral region में है, इसलिए pectoralis बोलेंगे, लेकिन वो छोटी मसल है, that's why it is called minor. Pectoralis minor. Our third muscle which is found below the clavicle, that's why it is called subclavius. Subclavius. Why? Because sub means inferior, below, and clavius related to clavicle, that's why subclavius. Our fourth muscle which is tooth-like appearance. Tooth-like appearance. Tooth-like appearance. So this tooth-like appearance in the anatomy, tooth-like appearance is also called the serrated. Serrated. So muscle is serrated. Serrated, लेकिन anteriorly आ रही है, that's why it is called anterior. Serrated anterior. This and this muscle will shape is look like this. This is the shape of the muscle. This shape is called the serrated. Serrated anterior. Why it is called anterior? Because this muscle will come on the anterior side, that's why it is called anterior. So in this video I will be discuss about the pectoralis minor, and in my upcoming videos I will discuss about the one by one muscles of the pectoral region. This video is focused on the pectoralis minor muscle. For the pectoralis minor, I will erase and draw the diagram of the thoracic cage, and we will know the origin and insertion of the pectoralis minor muscle. So firstly study about the pectoralis minor. Pectoralis minor. For the pectoralis minor, I will draw the diagram this is the manubrium. This is the xiphoid process. This is the sternum, and there is a clavicle. This is clavicle. This is the first rib, and after the first rib, this is our second rib. This is our third rib. This is the fourth rib. This one is the fifth. This is the sixth. This is the seventh. This is the 8, this is the 9, this is the 10, and this is 11 and 12. This is the costochondral junctions. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. This is the costochondral junction of the ribs. This is the scapula. This is the humerus. This is the greater tubercle. This is the lesser tubercle. This is the medial lamina. This is the lateral lamina. Lateral lip. Sorry, this is the lateral lip, and this is the medial lip. For the origin of the pectoralis minor muscle, this is the third costochondral junction. This is the fourth, and this is the fifth costochondral junction. This muscle origin from the third, fourth, and fifth costochondral junctions, and will inserted into the coracoid process, into the medial border of superior surface of coracoid process. This muscle will inserted into the medial border of the superior surface of the coracoid process. Origin from the second to fifth, second, 3, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry, origin from the 3, 4, and 5 costochondral junction, and will inserted into the medial border of the superior surface of the coracoid process of scapula. This muscle will inserted into the coracoid process. This type of insertion are found. This is the insertion of the pectoralis minor muscle. Now nerve supply of the pectoralis minor is lateral and medial pectoral nerve, because it have two nerve supply, that's why it is called hybrid muscle. Why it is called hybrid? Because it has two nerve supply, lateral pectoral nerve and medial pectoral nerve. Lateral pectoral nerve is the branch of the lateral cord of the brachial plexus, and medial pectoral nerve is a branch of the medial cord of the brachial plexus. And action of this muscle, this will pull the scapula. First action is pull the scapula. Pull the scapula. This will contract and this will pull the scapula. Now second action is, this will help in the deep inspiration. Deep inspiration. And third function is this will stabilize the scapula. These are the functions of the pectoralis minor. Nerve is the lateral and medial pectoral nerve. Function is the pull the scapula, deep inspiration, and stabilize the scapula. Origin from the third, fourth, and fifth costochondral junction. This is the chondral part, and this is the costal part. And this is the junction. That's why it is called costochondral junction. This will originate from third, fourth, fifth costochondral junction and inserted into the medial border of the superior surface of the coracoid process of scapula. So this is all about the pectoralis minor muscle, and if you like my work, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Left three muscles will be in my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.